So, this is it. The third test in our series comparing the McLaren P1, Ferrari LaFerrari and Porsche 918 Spider. Last time at Santa Pod Raceway, the 918 was unbeatable over the quarter mile. But this time we find out which is faster in a race to nearly 200 miles per hour. It's the first time all three cars have been measured, and we've got one of the biggest grudge matches to settle. Which is the fastest hypercar of modern times? With McLaren winning the track shootout at Silverstone, will it be Ferrari's turn to finish on top at Bruntingthorpe? To minimise the effect of using different drivers, we'll run each car in their automated modes, relying on their factory programs for best power delivery and launch performance. For the 918, this means driving it in race hybrid mode, with the hot lap button engaged. This releases the full potential of its hybrid battery power, amounting to an extra 140 horsepower. The LaFerrari will also be run in race mode, which again exploits its full electric boost. Whilst in the P1, we've selected track mode for both powertrain and handling, with the rear wing manually lowered. We could run the P1 in race mode, whilst holding down the DRS button to reduce drag, but we've chosen to fully retract the rear spoiler, and hope the car remains stable enough at close to 200 miles per hour. We've got a pretty good idea of which will be the quickest off the line, but let's see which is fastest along Bruntingthorpe's main straight with its unusual 2% incline. Before we start, we're fully charging each car's battery. This ensures their electric motors can provide maximum torque. This is done by driving a warm-up lap, which in turn builds heat into the tyres, ready for that all-important launch. Well, as you can see, the 918 rockets away from the line, applying every one of its 944 pound-feet of torque from its all-wheel hybrid drive system. That's 40% more torque than the other two. But despite this on-paper advantage, the P1 is actually gaining speed more quickly than the 918.